When we first started, I didn't even have a chipper. We would just load them up and we'll flip a coin to see who's gonna come back out of the truck and start cutting it. So, but then every year we started to build up more and more customers. And from there, we just kept growing and hiring the right personnel for the right job. And right now we're, I think, over 300 employees.
So Lalo has certainly been on our radar and Vermeer RDO's radar for a number of years. He's been a company that's growing at a very rapid pace. So when the dealership reached out and said there might be, an opportunity to bring him back to Vermeer, we jumped at the opportunity.
For me, when I got the invitation, I was like, I can't pass that. I'll definitely go. And we have a new member too that came on board, and I was like, he needs to come and see this because this is amazing. I couldn't even explain it to him compared to coming here and seeing it.
It was a really unique opportunity with the large order that Lalo placed with us. So it was certainly an honor and a privilege to have him make that big commitment to Vermeer and to our dealership.
So we just ordered 200 chippers, having the people who build those chippers for us. I do believe that their energy, their good energy that they spend on building these chippers, our employees out in the field, and to do the same quality work out there as well.
So that order for 200 BC1000XLs is the largest order to date in environmental history here at Vermeer.
I believe like the t-shirts, 325, we started them on Monday, and we just have to get the job done. And we do whatever it takes to get it done, in other words.
So Lalo, makes all of his own gear for his company. So they've got an area where they basically make custom wear for their team members. And we asked, hey, it would be really awesome if he could make shirts for the entire plant. So him being who he is, he said, you know what, I think we could do 350 or 400 shirts. And the really cool thing about it is he took it upon himself and he himself made each one of those shirts.
When I first started, I used to, all I knew was Vermeer. And the chippers are great. And starting up a new company and started to pick up more and more equipment. I tried another company, and then within the first month, I was already regretting it. So we're sticking to Vermeer.
Lalo really came up through the ranks. He was a firefighter. He cares deeply about his people as well as providing that important work. So we help customers like Lalo and Tree Service Kings succeed really between us and our dealer network. So we have, deep relationships where our companies align very closely with the Tree Service Kings from a culture and from the important work that they're doing. And so that relationship that we have with that customer is extremely important.
Vermeer has the service, the support that we need. Chippers down, Vermeer, they come and exchange. They'll give us a loaner. So our production still continues, doesn't stop. Vermeer is always there for us when we need them.
Thanks for watching. We hope this helps equip you to do more. Subscribe to our channel for more. And if you're interested in contacting a local dealer, visit vermeer.com/dealer. Thanks again.